World War history is often viewed through maps and dates, but the most powerful stories are the ones of individual humanity that occurred amidst the chaos. Here are three distinct stories, one from World War I, one from World War II, and a legendary moment of humanity that capture the different phases of war. 1. The Christmas Truce, WWI, 1914. Perhaps the most famous story of the Great War occurred just 5 months after it began. On the frozen fields of Flanders, the sound of carols began to drift across no man's land. Asterisk the moment, German soldiers placed candles on their trenches and began singing Still Nacht, Silent Night. British soldiers responded with The First Noel. Asterisk the peace, slowly, men who had been trying to kill each other hours earlier stepped out of their trenches without weapons. Asterisk the memory, they exchanged cigarettes, plum puddings, and buttons. In some sectors, a famous football, soccer, match broke out in the mud. For one night, the war didn't exist, proving that the enemy was just another person caught in the same cold. 2. The Bear in the Helmet, WWII, 1944. During the Battle of the Bulge, Private Tony Speranza was stationed in the freezing woods of Bastogne. His friend and fellow soldier, Joe, had been badly wounded and was lying in a makeshift hospital set up in a church. Asterisk the request, Joe told Tony he was dying for something to drink. Tony went out into the bombed-out town and found a tavern that had been blown to pieces, except for the beer tap. Asterisk the delivery, having no bottles, Tony filled his M1 steel helmet with beer. He ran back through artillery fire to the church, careful not to spill a drop. Asterisk the result, he made the trip twice, giving his wounded friends a final moment of normalcy before his commander caught him and threatened to have him shot for his irregular behavior. To this day, the town of Bastogne serves beer in ceramic bowls shaped like helmets to honor him. The fall of 24,000 feet, WWII, 1943. Sergeant Nick Alkimade was a rear gunner on a British Lancaster bomber that caught fire over Germany. His parachute was destroyed by flames, and the plane was spiraling toward the ground. The choice, faced with burning to death or jumping, he chose to jump from 18,000 feet, approx 5.5 kilometers, without a parachute. The miracle, he fell through the darkness, hitting a thicket of pine trees that slowed his descent before landing in a deep snowdrift. The survival, he woke up with only a sprained knee and some bruising. When the Gestapo captured him, they refused to believe he had jumped without a chute until they found his wrecked plane with the unopened, charred parachute still inside. They were so impressed they gave him a certificate commemorating his survival. Common themes in war stories. If you are looking to write your own or study these further, most World War stories focus on these three pillars. The absurdity, moments where logic fails, like a bear run during a massacre. The camaraderie, the band of brothers effect where the man next to you matters more than the cause. The moral dilemma, good people forced to make impossible choices in terrible circumstances. Would you like me to find a specific story about a particular country, or perhaps help you outline a fictional war story based on these themes?